Hello, and welcome to Fusion Writing, where building character meets creating structure. Well, we're starting a whole new month of May. Can you believe it? And this is the beginning of our second year of Fusion Writing. We last month closed off our whole first year. Well, we're starting around in our same mode now, where Victoria is going to be giving her part of characters, and I'll be giving my part of the character traits. So I won't take any more of Victoria's time as she gets us with our Monday compass. Victoria?
Hello, everybody. Welcome back and welcome to year two. Who knew we would still be here in a year? We sure didn't know that. But so grateful for all of you who've come with us on this journey. So let's launch right into the compass and see where we're headed. In the last module, we finished up talking about some of the major players. In my book, Zettelkasten for Fiction Writers, which is coming in the next few months, I talk about them as key players in your story. That can be your protagonist, your villain, your antagonist, or maybe they're people like the character's boss or their best friend or their brother. All of those are key players. They contribute in a major way to the story and how it holds up as it moves along. But there are others that we populate our stories with who sometimes don't play any major role at all, but it doesn't mean that they aren't just as important. So tomorrow when we get to the map, we're going to look at some of those more minor or side characters, they're sometimes called, and see what they look like and how you might use them. So with that, I'll throw it to Kathleen for her compass.
Oh, thank you, Victoria. I'm sure looking forward to that presentation. Well, this month we're going to focus on just one character trait, as we've been doing for a while now. And the character trait for this month is meekness. Now, you might be surprised because the technical definition of meekness is quite different than the common usage of the term meekness. And tomorrow we'll talk about what we mean by meekness when we're talking about a character trait, and specifically when we're talking about a balance trait, because that's going to be our clue. I'm really excited to go over this with you, so please come back tomorrow for our map day. See you then. Bye-bye.